Okay, now we're going to do doubly linked lists. And in this video, we're going to create our constructor. So I'm going to start by bringing up a singly linked list. A doubly linked list is just going to have arrows that also go the other way. So the first thing we need to do, just like we had with singly linked lists, is we need to create a node. So I'm going to start out with a singly linked list node like this. And remember, that looked like this. And in the constructor, we had self.value and self.next in order to create this. So our constructor looked like this. So for a doubly linked list, we just need one more line like this. We're going to call this previous. It will be set to none because this node is not pointing in anything yet. And that's the only difference in creating the node. So that is going to build something that looks like this. So now that we can create nodes, let's start building our doubly linked list class. So we're going to start this class out by creating a constructor. And we're going to pass this a value so we can create the first node in the doubly linked list at the time that we create the doubly linked list. And we'll create that with this line of code, and we'll pass it a value. And notice this line of code is identical to the one we used to create a node in a singly linked list. The only difference is the node class that we're calling here also includes previous. And then we'll say self.head equals new node, like that. Self.tail equals new node, and that does that. And then we'll say that the length is 1. So we'll create a new doubly linked list by doing something like this. My doubly linked list equals doubly linked list. We pass it the value 7, and this line of code is going to create all of this. We have a head and a tail, and we have a node with a value of 7, and the length is equal to 1. Now let's go look at this in VS Code. So up here, we have our node class with value next and previous. I'm just going to scroll this up. And this is where we create the doubly linked list class. Here's our constructor. And then I also have a method here called print list, just like we did in singly linked lists. And we'll use this to be able to look at our linked lists. So down here we have that line of code that we just saw, which is my doubly linked list equals doubly linked list. We're going to pass it a value of 7. And then when we come down here, we'll print the list, and we should just get that node with a value of 7. I'm going to run this, and there is our value of 7. All right, it looks like we have created a working constructor.